G'day everyone. I've been at it again. It was Prime, what do they call that, Prime Day?
Prime Day.
Yeah, Prime Day. So I got some Amazon goodies for the garden. I've also got some Temu goodies down there which we'll have a look at. So here we go. What have we got in this one? Ah yes, this I was looking forward to. We'll unbox these separately, but these are my heap pads for growing seedlings. I've got two of them. They are $31 each on the Prime special. Normally $55, but I'll put a link to them up there, and I will show you how these work shortly. What else have I got in here? Ah, yes, I can remember ordering this. Makeup brushes. I need it, don't I? They're my daughter's. Next we have another Amazon package, and I know exactly what this is. And I bought this because I am forever buying cheap ones. So I bought cheap ones from Amazon again. No, they're not that cheap. These are meant to be a good name brand set of secateurs. I've got lots of secateurs out there, but almost all of them are from Aldi or really cheap stuff from the big green shed. So we shall go out in the morning and give that a shot, see how it works. Very old, broken Hortex secateurs, and this is why I have bought, well, supposedly good ones. And here they are. They've got nice soft handles, nice foam. This is our locking lever. Easy to use. I don't feel that sharp. But we'll go and grab some sticks and try this out. In actual fact, I'll zoom in and we can try this because I only want it for the very thin stuff. So I'll just chop some of my spearmint here. Okay, I've just grabbed some of my spearmint because I really only want it for the thin stuff to make a clean cut. That's fine. And this is the sort of stuff I wanted these secateurs for. I've got my power ones to do anything heavier. Nastrin gets everywhere. So let's just cut this asparagus back. See if it cuts cleanly. Beautiful. Alright, so I reckon they're pretty good too. Especially since they were only $15 or $16. Now we get our cheap and nasty Chinese junk. I shouldn't say that. Some of the Temu stuff's been good. So what have we got here? Now, for those who watched my video on building my very economical budget light box for growing things, I mentioned I was going to get a old car dashboard reflector. I didn't have one. So I bought this, which is reflector material and insulator. It's 5 meters by 500 mil. Take it out and see what it's like. Do it this way. And it's meant to have some insulating foam in it as well. So out it comes. So here it is. It's fairly light, but it is shiny, and that's what we want. Here's the beginning of it. There's the beginning of it. Ah, and it's only reflective on one side. I didn't realise that. So it's just some foam with a reflector on one side, but that'll be fine. This will be going around the inside of the grow box to try and reflect the lights back down. So this looks like it'll serve the purpose I want it for. It was about $10. Again, price up there. As I've said before with Temu, I won't link to the stuff because it's gone by the time anyone goes to click the links. But looks like it'll serve a purpose. We shall see. I also have some more cloth to tie the plants up with, and I don't know what the price of this was. It wasn't much. I think I only bought it to get the $40 minimum. I'll put the price up there again, but it's just strips of, looks like cheap synthetic material. You can actually see through it. Was it worth it? Absolutely not. Yeah, it's soft enough, but it's just strips the cloth. All right, what are we going to do next? Seeds, something I'm always buying. So what I've done here is I bought some paper envelopes to store seeds in, which I'll then put in my holders for it. They weren't expensive again. Just had seed name, seed variety, date collected, and some growing notes printed on the front. It is not adhesive by the look of it. No, they're not adhesive. Yeah, again, I'll find a use for them there. And there is 50 of them in there. Alright, so they're okay. What else? Oh, now that's miraculous. This was meant to be a multi-sized stainless steel set of funnels. And what I've ended up with is tiny weeny funnels. I said it in my last Temu video, check dimensions, which obviously I haven't done yet again. These will be handy for putting things in the seed jars or very small sauce bottles or something. I don't know what I'll do with them. Alright, so, oh boy, why do I buy some of this stuff? Honestly, what can I say? I'm a fool. Alright, let's see if we've got anything that's actually interesting. As you've probably noticed, or I hope you've noticed because you're looking at all my many mushroom videos that are coming up, these are mushroom bags. And I just thought I'd try out some mushrooms in a bag, just to see if it's any better than the buckets that we're currently using. The reason they're mushroom bags is they have a little breathable patch on them. So we fill them up with our straw. I'm not going to blow in it because we don't want to contaminate it. We fill them up with straw and our spawn. We tie them off. And when we're ready to grow them, we just put a slice in the bag. And the mushrooms are meant to come out of there. They're a nice, heavyish sort of plastic. They look like a good size for doing multiple small batches of mushrooms. As I said, they've got the little patch here for allowing it to breathe. That's if it actually has a hole in it for that. And it does. So it looks like it'll actually breathe through there. And it'll make a nice alternative to doing the buckets. So we'll give them a shot and see how they turn out. I'm quite sure how we're going to sterilise them though. Probably end up putting them in a pressure cooker or similar. So those were 10 pieces, 250 by 500 millimetres. And we'll see what they're like. So we'll give them a shot in another video and make some more mushrooms, which we won't be doing right now. And as you might have seen from my other videos, I'm always buying sprayers, and I got sick of buying the full sprayer with its bottle and everything. So I thought I would try, instead, just getting some spray nozzles, which I can put on the other bottles. And here they are. Put a little tube in. Sounds like they work. Well, pumping air out anyway. But these were very cheap, and I think it's probably better just to get this rather than the sprayer and the bottle, just to save a little bit of plastic waste. So we'll try them out and see how they go, see if they actually do work. Our next Temu trick, spray bottle, trigger pack. So this is an old one. I'm trying not to end up buying these all the time, and just buy that bit. So let's see if it works. Works nicely. Nice fine mist. Nice fine mist. That works. I'm happy with that. $4 something for a pack of 6, I think, from memory. I don't have to buy these and throw them out when these break down. So it's quite a bit of plastic saving, which I'm happy with. Good one. Still hasn't got me over my mini funnels though. Oh well. Ah yes, again, I broke my good sprayer, cracked the rim of it. So I thought I'd get what looked like a reasonable one off Temu. Again, I think it was quite reasonable priced up there. It has all of the normal functions, comb, jet, shower, etc. One thing I will say is this looks really solid. It is quite heavy. The trigger's firm and works smoothly. The plastic is plastic, but that's a soft plastic ring which might help when I drop it all the time. Because that's what happened to the other one. It has a hard plastic ring here, and it split when I dropped it, and we get water spraying out. I'm quite happy with that. Must check the price, but this actually feels like it's good quality. We'll find out when we put a hose on it though. So the reason I bought a new hose connector, nozzle, sprayer, is because if you watch, I cracked it. This is a hard plastic. I'm really happy with these ones generally, but this is a hard plastic. And because I drop it all the time, I cracked it and now it's leaking. I might be able to seal it up, but we'll see. So let's try our Temu one. Okay, clicked on. It's not leaking around the tap there. We'll turn it to full, and there we go. That's good. The other one I use all the time is shower. That's good. That seems pretty good. The pattern is nice and gentle. I think we've got a adjuster here, but maybe not. And then we've got a clip here to lock it in place. So I'm quite happy with that. That's not bad for the price. In fact, that's very good for the price. I might even go and buy another one of them. Well, for the last of them, you're going to have to watch a different video because I've completely redone my lighthouse, or greenhouse, or whatever you call it. And all of the Temu goodies and the Amazon goodies are in here. But there's a full video on upgrading my little lighthouse. Enjoy life. Stop buying Temu junk. And I'll catch you in the garden.